Well, lots of friends in the Build-A-Bear workshop. Welcome to Reading with Nyla. We're here at the Build-A-Bear workshop at Busch Gardens. Come along and see how our friends are created. Steps 1 through 6. All employees have been okayed to be videoed. Are you ready to see how we create our friends inside the Build-A-Bear workshop? Let's begin. We have a new friend. Well, lots of friends in the Build-A-Bear workshop. Yeah. Which friend will we pick next? Let's see. Step 1, choose a friend. Step 2, stuff your friend and give it life with a heart. We're getting ready to make our new friend. That's all the cotton.
Do you want to kind of like burn?
Yes, thank you. There's the heart for our new friend. Let's see who our new friend is. Here at the Build-A-Bear workshop. Ooh. Build-A-Bear workshop. Nice and
A
firm.
regular heart in it? Or did you want a sense or anything
We're gonna put a regular heart.
A regular heart.
What's the difference with the? Is it just like?
Those are scents, and then we
Okay.
have a beating heart now, where it beats.
Oh, this one beats. A beating
And then
heart.
this one lights up, but
And
it
this
doesn't
lights.
show up that well.
This one lights up, but it won't be able to show. Okay, I understand that. And these scents right here. So it goes in instead of the heart. Okay, so I'll take that one. So we have
And you
the.
can smell it.
Okay, that smells good. But what about the strawberry? They have strawberry, like a floral one, and we have birthday cake. Okay, I see. Yeah, you got a lot of. Okay. Oh yeah, I like the strawberries. Strawberry. I get strawberry. Oh, okay. Yeah, I could try cotton candy. Let's see.
Just in case you like
Yes,
this one
exactly. Okay, I like strawberry better. Yes.
Yeah.
So we have a strawberry heart
I believe
scent.
it's like,
Okay. Okay, that's good. For our new friend. A new friend that smell like strawberries. Heart. And our new friend's coming to life.
And do you want a red heart or a plaid?
Plaid. Good, thank you.
Did you want to do the make a wish thing?
Oh no. At this step, you can make a wish with the heart and put it in your friend. And we're putting our friend all together. Here at the Build-A-Bear workshop. Let's see our new friend. Almost done. Almost done. Build. More friends. Hi. Here's our new friend.
Here you are.
Thank you. Step 3. Dress your new friend. Step 4. Name your new friend.
Let's go and create the birth certificate for our new friend. Step 4. Name me. Let's see what we'll name our new friend. This is our new friend. Say hello. Hello. What will we name our new friend today? We're going to tap. Okay, let's select the language. English. And let's try this one more time. Let's scan. There we go. Let's see where. Let's see if we can find our friend here.
Stay tuned for the next video to see what our new friend name is.
We have a lot of friends here.
Step 5. Smile for me. Step 6. Take me home. Time to take home our new friend. Thank you for watching. See you later. Au revoir. Goodbye.